Hello knitters, Barbara Benson here. I am an independent knitwear designer who also likes to make videos here on my YouTube channel, Watch Barbara Knit. If you'd like to know more about my knitwear designs, please check in the description below, and there you will find a link to my Ravelry designer page where you will find all the patterns I have designed, and you can possibly get a PDF so you can knit up one of my designs yourself. Also in the description below, you will find a link to the Watch Barbara Knit's Facebook group where we can continue the conversations that we start here on YouTube. I love chatting with people down in the YouTube comments, but you can't share pictures. So Facebook is a really good way to augment the whole thing. Today, we have KnitCrate for September. I am a little late this month because let me just tell you, this month we moved into our new home the first weekend of September, Labor Day weekend, and I've been working on getting everything set up. I did a video last week, and there were some issues with the video, and I really appreciate people giving me the feedback. I have repositioned my desk to try to eliminate some of the glare, and I have a couple other things I'm working on. I ordered something that might be able to help because we get a whole lot of space back here. The room's much bigger, but it's on back order. So when I get it, hopefully you will notice and we can give it a try. But I do listen to y'all, and I want this video experience to be as nice as possible. Now, September KnitCrate, I've had the boxes. It's been killing me. They got moved. I made sure I knew where they were, and I have been really trying to avoid spoilers. Some of y'all have been posting your boxes on my Facebook group, Watch Barbara Knit's Facebook group, and I love that y'all are so excited, but I'm like, oh, scroll, because I don't want to be spoiled. I want my reactions to be very genuine. If you don't know what KnitCrate is, I will put a link to multiple of my previous KnitCrate videos. It is a yarn subscription service where you can go and sign up to have a yarny surprise show up in your mailbox once a month. You can do like 3-month, 6-month, I even think year-long subscriptions and have them show up. There are multiple different boxes. There's what I call the original recipe box, and I will be opening up one of those, and the Artisan box. Now I'm acting like I know which one that is, but I don't. One of these is the original KnitCrate box, and one of them is the Artisan box. The big difference between the two is that the original one is KnitCrate's luxury yarns dyed specifically for them. Haven't had a bad one yet. And then the Artisan, it actually has the base and the dyer from an indie dyer. So that's super cool. I say super cool a lot, but it's because it's super cool. Another little twist to my unboxings is that after I open them up and have the fun of opening them, I will be giving them away to 2 of my viewers. So what you have to do is watch to the end of the video, and I will talk a little bit more about it, but check in the description below, and also when it goes live, I will try my best to post it as the first comment and pin it. To enter, you have to use Rafflecopter. It is a free service that I do it that way because then I don't have to worry. I don't have unless you're the winner, I do not have your email. Your email is not stored anywhere. You just enter, and then I have a little button that I push that says choose winner, and it just tells me who you are. And so it takes care of all the random stuff and all of that rigmarole and makes it super easy for everybody. There are multiple different ways you can enter. In the description below, you will find a link to a previous video where I actually walked you through step by step to show you how to use Rafflecopter. It is super easy, and I actually added an additional way to enter, which is to join my Facebook group. So there are 3 one time only. It is, you can subscribe to my channel, you can subscribe to my newsletter, and you can join the Watch Barbara Knits Facebook group. If you've already done those things, just check them off and submit, and that's 3 submissions, 3 entries right there. There's also social media sharing, which if you share one of my patterns on Instagram or whatever social media you're on, Facebook is awesome, then you can do that, and you can do that 1 entry per day. The entries will be open when this goes live, September 18th, and they close on midnight, September 25th. So you have that time to enter. So apparently I wasn't going to wait till after the unboxing to give y'all the information. So let's get to the unboxing. Oh, one last thing. If you decide you want to subscribe to KnitCrate, which is fabulous, you can get 20% off your very first subscription. You can get the 3-month, and with the code DUCK20, DUCK20, I will put that up here, and that will get you 20% off. But also they're having a cool little promo this month, which is the Wheel of Yarn Fortunes. And when you go, if you order, you can like spin the little wheel and you can win prizes. You can get like 50% off your first month. I think you can win a free crate. You should just go and check it out and do the spinny thing and see what happens. There is a link in the description below that you can click on to go to KnitCrate, and if you use that link, then they know that I sent you. So and I get credit, which is cool. But let us open up. Which one should I do first? I should stop it right here and make you guys vote. Nah, just kidding. Okay. Handy dandy scissors, which, you know, makes me think I should be able to do this more easily. Ooh, pop. I peeked. Sorry, guys. It popped right open. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that. Look at that. These are, oh, it's sort of a olive green, I'm gonna say. What do you think? Yeah, I'm gonna say olive green. I love greens. These are in this. Okay, I don't want to take it out of the box because I just want to pet it. It's so soft. Let's see what this is. This is the original recipe crate. Because I can tell by, I'm starting to recognize the font they use on their labels. How this is Vadalana. I don't know if I've had this base before, and the colorway is Tapenade. I was totally right. It's olive, because you know Tapenade is a chopped olive relish. This is the colorway is Tapenade, and the base is Dream. 329 yards in 100 grams, 70% superwash merino wool, 20% silk, and 10% cashmere sport weight. I love sport weight yarn, and let me tell y'all, this yarn would be perfect for my pattern. I had to go look it up because I forgot how to pronounce it. It would be perfect for my pattern Onoclea. I'm going to show you a picture of it. It's designed for sport weight. I think this would knit up a dream in that. And you know what? If the person who wins this crate wants it, I'm going to give you to gift it into your Ravelry thing, that pattern, because I think this would be perfect in that pattern. It is gorgeous. I rubbed your yarn against my face. I'm sorry. I'm not actually sorry because I'm not stopping. Okay, so let's see what the theme is. Oh, interesting. I think, oh, very cool. Let's see. I'm going to set this to the side. There's, oh, this is cool. So last month they did the pattern books, and I was like, it'll be interesting to see if they continue to do it. Not only have they continued to do it, there's two separate ones. One's the knitting and one's the crochet one. This is only going to be in the original recipe box because you get 2 patterns, 1 knit and crochet, 1 crochet, and in the Artisan box you get 2 knitting patterns, 1 more advanced, 1 more beginner. So the theme here is dash dot dash. This month theme focuses on a modern palette with a graphic twist. Dusty tones play off wearable designs and beautifully dyed yarns. This Morse code missive dash dot dash is the letter K for KnitCrate, is our sign off on what is sure to be a singular set of September crates. Or, oh, this is, so the designer for the knitwear one is Ann Podolsak. I'm sure I'm pronouncing that wrong. But I will show you. There it is. And look at this. This shawl is gorgeous. I mean, I still think it would look really nice in my shawl, but this shawl is absolutely gorgeous too. Vitalana Dream, it's the merino silk cashmere. There is a link to download your pattern, and this is great. It's a little booklet, and then the other booklet is the crochet one, and the designer is Cecilia Losada. And she has given you 20% off, as did Anne. So you get a code, and here is, and this will give you a hint as to what one of the other colors are, is beautiful. Oh, that is gorgeous. Makes me want to crochet. I love the little, it's sort of like cables. I don't know if y'all can see it, but so those are the two patterns that come with it. And it's a merino silk. What did I say? Did I say cashmere? I totally said cashmere. Merino silk cashmere. This is just absolutely stunning and soft, and and I love the olive color. I so think it would look amazing in Ono Clear. I'm gonna put this stuff away. Here we go. There we go. So there's one, and let's get the other one open. I'm not gonna peek this time. Here we go. We'll see it at the same time. That's just paper. It's not helpful. Ooh. Oh, I love gray. I would knit everything in gray if I didn't love color so much. This is from Knit 1 Crochet 2 Daisy. Look at that. It is, you know what? I said gray. It's silver. It almost is metallic. It is gorgeous. It is a 38% linen, 32% silk, 30% hemp. I am once again kind of sad I'm giving this to y'all because I would love to knit with this. I am fascinated by what this is going to block out like. It's going to be amazing. Linen, silk, and hemp are all fibers that hold a block like crazy. This is going to be amazing for lace. You get 2 skeins of it. We've got 100 grams, 272 yards. So it's a little, it's about a sport weight-ish kind of thing. Made in Italy. Fancy. Absolutely gorgeous. And so let's see what we've got here. Again, dash dot dash. I put a dat in there, I think. This is the Artisan grade, and so we have a beginner and an intermediate pattern. They have totally one-upped themselves. They have 2 booklets, so that is amazing. This month's theme, we already read that. Dusty, yada, 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 graphic twist. Ooh, how pretty. And this is telling you what other colors. So the designer for the intermediate pattern is Lori Wagner. And the pattern, they give you a pattern download. And I'm going to try to show this to you without letting you see the code. There we go. It's gorgeous. So beautiful. And you can see what one of the other colors might be. Absolutely beautiful. And this explains something. Now, each of the Artisan crates has an extra in it. And this explains it is a Surf City Designs handmade gift tag. So this is cool. I'm not going to open it up because somebody's going to be getting it, but it is a tag. So if you decide to knit something for someone else, which, I mean, I understand that some people do that. I'm not much for knitting for other people, but if that's your thing, super cool. And it comes with care instructions. I would write, if you shrink this, I kill you. But there we go. Maybe I should make my own tags. Shrink this and I cut you. And let's see. The beginner pattern is by Jessie Molson. And it is, oh, it is beautiful. I think this one is actually in this color. And it is a nice, simple lace beginner pattern. It's absolutely beautiful. That is so nice. Huh, interesting. So, we've got in the Artisan crate 2 beautiful shawl patterns, your fun handmade taggy tag guys, and this gorgeous, this yarn is perfect for making a summer weight shawl or a scarf or something like that. Again, the linen silk hemp blend. I actually have a scarf called Captive that was done in Knit One Crochet 2 yarn, but a different blend, but I think this would work up perfect. I'll put a picture here for it, and you guys y'all can see what, and I bet that would go. And whoever gets this box, if they would like it, I will be gifting them that pattern for Captive. It also, you can put beads on it, which, you know, why not? So, okay, we have the Artisan crate with the Knit One Crochet 2 linen silk hemp blend in the beautiful, beautiful silver. And then we have the original recipe. I'm a pro. With this gorgeous sport weight merino silk cashmere blend in this olive tapenade color, which is super gorgeous. So remember, look in the description below for the link to Rafflecopter to enter and head over to the KnitCrate site so you can spin the wheel of yarn fortune, and that could be cool. I'd love to chat with you in the comments below if you have any thoughts on these gorgeous, gorgeous yarns. And one thing that I have said, I will pick 2 winners. And when I send out an email, I will ask them if they prefer one box over the other. If y'all both pick the same box, I use the blame my husband technique, which is I seal the boxes, print out 2 labels, and hand them to my husband and say, put a label on a box. I don't know who gets what, but that'll make it a little more complicated. When y'all get the box, you'll have to contact me again so that I can get you the pattern. And I can tell you all, I didn't know what yarn I was getting. That was just off my head, what patterns of mine I thought would work well in this yarn. Each one just immediately I knew what I could make with it out of my patterns. So let me know if y'all like that idea of me suggesting things like that. If you like this video, please click that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much.